If you have any questions, please post your questions to the chat platform or open your microphone to express. If you don't have any questions, we will start the course. Okay. Now, Olivia. Okay. Wait a minute. I open the blank bar. Hmm? Okay. Can you see my screen? Okay, now there is a competitor to ask the question about the elevation. So now I open the blank bar and talk about the elevation again. Okay. Can you see the software? Okay. Now, if you want to add to the elevation, you should open the floor manager. Open the floor manager. There is some elevations about the building. You can modify what you want. Here, this is the foundation, and this is the basement. And here, this is the first floor. Where do we should modify the elevation? Of course, generally, we modify the elevation about the bottom level of the first floor, and the height of the every floor. For example, I modify the height of the first floor. There is the bottom level of first floor. Here, the elevation is 0. 150. There is the thickness of the slab of the first floor. And here, there is the top level of the first floor, 2,850. If you want to choose the thickness of the slab, you can click the left button of the mouse. If you modify the number to 200, there will be a window. You should to check it. Okay. You can hear that when I check the window about the first floor, there is a change about the bottom level of the first floor. But the elevation of the bottom level is not changed. There is the 0. Okay. But you can see that the basement, the top level of basement is changed. The level of basement of the top level is full 150. The same way, you can modify the other floor. If you finished, close. Okay, close. You're welcome. Other competitors, do you have any other questions? Can you tell me more about what the picture above means? The picture? There is a view. If you want to check the view, you can open the window. There are more ways of the window. There are different ways of the view. There is a new viewpoint. If you want to create, you can choose this. If you want to know the 3-dimensional view, you can click the FC or click the button. The next one viewpoint, like this one. This is the one viewpoint. If you want to change to the 3-dimensional view, you can click your left button of the mouse, Alt and 2. Okay, there is the three-dimensional view, and there is another view, front south elevation, and there is the two-dimensional view. There are many views about the button. You can choose what you want. Usually, we use the Alt and 1 and the Alt and 2. The two buttons we use very freely. If you want to use the shortcut about the computer, you also can to create some shortcut about the software. You should open the tools and find the shortcuts. There are some functions you can to create shortcut, like here. If I want to hitching, I can input the control. Okay. You also can create more and more shortcut. If you create the short, you should to save. Okay. Do you understand about the expression, the competitor? I have sent a picture file about the elevation setting of this competition in the chat box. Please accept and explain. Thank you. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. This is a picture. Levels bottom elevation. So yes, this is the meaning. The value. Top level elevation, ordinary floor. The up elevation, surface thickness, slab thickness, roof. Structural maximum absolute elevation point. The highest point of the core building. The structural minimum absolute elevation point. Elevation of the first floor building site thickness. Okay. I should open the plan bar. First, we talk about the bottom elevation. We also should open the floor manager. The bottom elevation. Okay, there is the bottom level structure. You know, there is the minimum bottom level structure of the building. And the second one, top elevation. Top elevation, if it is the ordinary floor, for example, the second floor, the bottom level is here, 5,850. Here is the top level of the ordinary floor. We set the second floor for the example. If it is the roof, if your roof is set at the 5th floor, you can see that there is the top level of the roof. And there is the bottom level of the roof elevation. Okay, there is the 12,000 and 40,000 and 850. There is the total elevation about the roof floor. Then the structure maximum absolute elevation point about here. There is the maximum elevation of the structure, 15,000 and 400. Okay. The next, the minimum, we took it just now about here. The height is about 5,600. Okay. The other competitors, do you have any other questions? You're welcome. What I should to say that the floor manager and the layer manager is very important when you create the building. So you should to know the meaning of them. Okay, now do you have any other questions? If you don't, we will continue the new course. There is about 3 minutes for you to think about the questions yesterday. Okay. Okay. There is no questions from you. So we should continue the course of today.
邓老师，我怎么听不到声音呢？
嗯，没有声音吗？
对，好
没，
像放这个视频的时候我没有听到声音。
等一下，我看一下啊，没有声音。哎，怎么回事儿呢？我这边声音挺大的呀，你们听得到我声音吗？
你的声音可以听到，但是
你
视频是没有。
播放视频的时候没有选择共享视频声音。
哦，我看一下。哦哦，对对对，还是那个问题。
邓老师在放了吗？还是屏幕也不动，也没有声音？
嗯，啊，稍等一下，稍等一下，有问题，真的让我。因为我明明共享了的呀，稍等一下，点击共享声音，共享屏幕，现在可以看到了吗，陶老师？
可以看到屏幕，可以看到屏幕，但是它还是不动啊。
不动啊。There is a 这样可以吗？听到声音吗？
没有，没听到任何声音，就是你说话的声音可以听到，但是视频的声音是没有的。
为什么我点共享声音了的呀？好奇怪哟，我看一下是不是这个。Sorry, I should to check my computer. 诶，这是什么情况啊？看得到屏幕是吧？然后听不到声音是吗？
对的，但是屏幕它也不动，它一直是卡住的。
卡住的。我讲话卡不卡？
你讲话不卡？
我讲话不卡。那好奇怪啊，昨天都好好的呢。看一下，等一下啊，共享声音了的。Five 听到了吗？Process
哎，有了有了
as
有了。
shown in the figure, there is an example the second floor plan, you can use it. Now, I help you switch to the plan bar and do it as shown. Please look at the computer screen. First, open the VPN. To make the color of the window is green. The next, open the plan bar. Okay, you choose the project. Okay, the project is shown. Before operating, we should to open the project specific basis about the layer manager. Here, if we want to make the wall, door, window, handrail, slab, curtain, or roof to make to the second floor, we should to choose one of them. Then, to keep the second floor is not anything is editing. Okay, close. Open the file to find the copy more elements between documents. There is very important about here. Not to choose this. Click OK directly. Then you should to find the layer of target. We choose the second floor. Like 31, you can choose one of them. Okay. Then there is a hint. You should look at it. Then to choose the element. Okay. Then continue. Open the layer manager and to choose the second floor and keep the color of the wall is red. Close. Then click the left button of the mouse. You can see that the wall, window, door are made to the second floor. Okay. Maybe you need some time to look at the process carefully. Now there will be 5 minutes for you to practice. It is the critical step of the creation of building. So everyone should master it. Okay, the time is over. Continue our course. Two, creation of a floor step. The first step, create the slab as shown in the figure. The next, edit the thickness, height, and the material of the slab as shown in the figure. The next, I will switch to the plan bar and do it as shown. Please look at the computer screen. I will do it. The first step, to find the layer of the slab. Okay, the slab is open. We can edit it. Then close. The next, to find the slab, create the slab and modify the parameters of the slab, like the height. Okay. The next, to modify the surface of the slab. If we choose this, okay, then draw it. To click the Alt and 2. Okay, the slab is finished. There will be 2 minutes for you to practice. Okay, the time is over. Continue our course. Three, roof creation. The first step, create the roof. There is the roof frame and the roof carving. We should do it relatively. First, create the roof structure, then the roof carving. The second step, the roof structure requires at the roof slope, roof top and the bottom height, and the eave height. They are very important. So when we draw the roof, we should modify them carefully. The third step, the roof carving adds the roof numbers of layers, roof thickness, and eave shape. There is the layer. There is the relative height, and this area is the parameters or properties. Okay, the next step, roof material. If we want to modify the surface of the roof, we should to choose some picture to choose. The 5 step, there are some pictures you can choose. You can choose what you want or the project given. The 6th step, there is a roof shapes example. You can draw the roof as the figure or create what you want as shown. The next, I will switch to the plan bar and do it as shown. Please look the computer screen. Before we create the roof, we should delete the slab. Firstly, find the first floor and to find the roof. We need to modify the layer of the roof. The color is red. Then close. Second, to find the roof. First, there is the roof frame. The second, there is roof carving. We should do it firstly. To create a roof frame, there is some parameters about the roof frame you can modify, like the angle, the slope, and the eaves, top level and the bottom. If we choose it to 48, okay. Next, the eaves is the height of the eave. It is the first floor elevation. The top level, you can modify what you want, which is higher than the eave. The bottom is the first floor bottom level. Okay, close. Then we create the roof frame. When we creating the roof frame, you should to watch the hint in the left bottom corner. Okay, let's begin. Okay, then to click check edges of the room frame to apply slopes. Okay, the roof frame is finished. The next, to create the roof recurving. You can modify the parameter. The layer what you want, you can to modify. And the relative height. Okay. If we don't modify it, the next, to choose the surface of the roof carving, I choose this picture. Okay. To look at the hint in the left bottom corner to find the start point, and then to find the second point, then ESC. Then you can find that the roof carving is also finished. About the roof creation, there is some difficult. So when you create the roof, you should do it carefully. There is 5 minutes for you to practice. Okay, the course is about 1 hour. There will be 10 minutes to you for you to think about the questions about the formal content of today's course. Okay, the time is over. Can you see the screen of my computer and hear me? 唐老师，你们听得到我的声音和看得到我的屏幕吗？
可以听到，也可以看到。
好的，谢谢。Okay, the time is over. Continue our course. 4. Terrace. The first step. To find the location of the library. Completed the installation of outdoor terrace LP2 and the second floor. Environment arrangement of outdoor furniture. The process is as follows. Library. Default. Furniture. The library is the first level. Default is the second level, and the furniture is the third level. The second step. There is the furniture, which is the location of the terrace. You can create. The third step. Furniture selection. Select the need to arrange inside the furniture. As shown in this figure, there are many pictures you can choose. And the right, there is a rendering of the terrace. You can create the terrace, what you want, or as shown in this figure. The next, I have to switch to the plan bar and do it as shown. Please look at the computer screen. We should click the left button of the mouse, the Alt and 1 to the two-dimensional view. Next, before we create the terrace, we should create a slab as this one. Then we check the layer of the second floor. It's okay. Then you switch into the architecture and to find the library, default, and furniture. To open the dining room, the first, to find a circle desk. If we put it at here, we click the left button of the mouse, Alt and 2 to show the 3D view. Okay, the desk is here, but we should change the elevation of this desk. To open the property, to modify the start point 285. Then the desk is up. Okay. The next, to find the library and to choose 4 chairs. If we choose the chair A, okay, to put it here and here. Okay. Now we to rotate the direction of the chair one by one. Okay, the direction is right. The second one. Okay, the direction is right. The next one. Sorry. Okay, the direction is right. Then move. Just move the chair. Okay. Okay. Now to modify the elevation of the chairs, click the left button of the mouse, Alt and 2. Then to modify the elevation property. In. Okay. The next one. In. Okay. Another one. In. The last one. In. Okay. The location of these chairs and the desk is right. It is the terrace creation is very difficult. So when you create the terrace, you should slowly. Now there will be 5 minutes for you to practice. Of course, when you create the terrace, you can create more and more chairs and the desk. What do you want? Here, this just as example for you to practice. It's okay. The time is over. Continue our course. Fine. Illustrate handrail. The creation of a railing handrail, as shown in the left figure, and add the properties of the railing handrail, as shown in this right figure. Okay, that will be shown in the software. So now I have to switch to the plan bar and do it as shown. Please look at the computer screen. Okay, now the first we should click the left button of the mouse, Alt and 1. Then this is the two-dimensional view. Now to find the railing. Okay, here is the railing. We create the railing around the terrace. Okay, now create it. When you create the handrail, you can click the left button of the mouse to change the angle. Okay. Now, to click the left button of the mouse to check the handrail. You can find that the handrail is the elevation is the very short. So we should to modify the elevation of the handrail. Now click twice about the handrail and to open the property. Sorry, there is not the elevation. So we should move them. Okay. Okay. You find that the handrail is right. Okay. Okay. The next, we should check it again about the elevation. Okay, it is okay. Now, there will be 3 minutes for you to practice. Please do it carefully, especially for the elevation of the handrailing section. Okay. It's okay. The time is over. Continue our course. 6. Staircase model creation. Step 1. according to the drawings. Choose the right stairs. You should create the staircase from the stair model. The second step, according to the drawings, choose the right stairs. You should choose the shape of the staircase and the direction of the case. And the next, there are some dimensions about the staircase. If you need, you should modify the parameters, like the starting height, height difference, and the number of the steps, rise and thread, wise, and the axis position. Okay. The third step, select the handrail and install the handrail for the stairs. Add to the handrail. The fourth step, when placing the handrail of the stairs, you need to place it in the three-dimensional view and lay out the pace of the handrail as in the illustration as shown in this figure. Okay, now I have to switch to the plan bar and I will do it as shown. Please look the computer screen carefully. Okay, now create a staircase to find the architecture and then to find the stair model. The next, to choose the shape and the direction of the stair. For example, I choose this one and this. Okay. The next, there is some dimensions you can modify, like the starting height, the height difference, number of steps, rise, thread, and wise and axis position. The second section, there is the working line. You can modify what you want. Label, step numbers, and undercut. The third section is the steps shape. You can choose a one like this and this one. Next is the stair tread. There is the picture about the dimensions and the stair tread. Okay. There are some other parameters in this area. You can watch it and check it. And you can determine whether to modify the parameters. Okay. Okay. If the staircase, if you check it is right, and then you should create, close, and create. example. Sorry, it's wrong. Delete it. Okay. There is a staircase from the first floor to second floor. Then we should move it to a given area. Here, move it. Okay. Then we check it in the 3D view. You can find that there is no staircase. Why? Because there is no cave for the staircase. So the next we should create a cave for the staircase. Okay. Okay. Create cave. We should to know the length and the width of the helices. Okay. To measure the length.44701000。Okay. Okay. Okay. We can see the staircase. Now, you click the left button of the mouse, Alt and 2. Okay. You can see that there is the staircase. If you want to edit the staircase, you can edit it here. And to modify the parameter, the height difference, we should to modify the height difference. 850. Okay. Close. Okay. The staircase is right. Okay. Of course, you can move the location of the staircase. We should move a proper location. Here. And to okay. One time, to click the left button of the mouse, Alt and 2. Okay. You can see the staircase. There is a safe location. Okay. Change into the two-dimensional view. Okay. The staircase is finished. There is 5 minutes for you to practice. Okay, the time is over. Continue our course. Okay. 7. Silence. The first step, create the ceiling. The second step, add the ceiling properties about the condition, material, thickness, and the factor trade, and the height, as shown in the figure. The third step, after editing the properties, change ceiling material, modify thickness, elevation, as shown in this figure. The fourth step, change material. You can change the material here. Okay, now I have to switch to the plan bar and do it as shown. Please look at the computer screen. Okay. Okay. We find the ceiling in the room here. Then click twice to modify the parameters of ceiling. Here, material. We can choose one of them. Sorry. Okay. There is the material. The formula is wrong. Now this is the thickness. I modify the number is 140, 50. Okay. Height. The top level is the first floor top level, and the offset is this number. Okay. Of course, you also can change the other parameter. Now, okay, the ceiling is finished. Then we click the left button of the mouse to look at the three-dimensional view. Alt and 2. Here. This is the ceiling. Okay. Now there is 3 minutes for you to practice. Okay, the course is about 1 hour. Let's have a short rest. During the time, you can post your questions at the chatting platform. After the rest, we will continue our course. The rest time is about 20 minutes. Okay. The time is over. Continue our course. 8. Site creation. The first step, selection of site materials. There is the surface you can choose. The second step, selection of pavement and grass. After completing the drawing, the picture is as follows. Here, there are some trees and road. Okay, now we will switch to the blender and do it as shown. Please look at the computer screen. Okay. When we create the site creation, rational layout of the site according to the drawings, dividing green areas, trees, and hard surface. Consider terrain 500 millimeter at the thickness point. The road is well defined. It can be drawn with a boat. Okay, now we create a slab. Architecture. Find the slab and to with the height. The height is 0. It is the bottom level of the first floor. The bottom level is okay. Then offside to put into full by. Okay. Then modify the surface. Office. Oh, here. I choose it. Okay. Okay, you can look at the picture. There is the site creation. The next, we need to find some trees. Library. And surroundings. Trees. Okay. Okay. The trees are finished. To create some bench. Okay. Okay, now the green surroundings is okay. The next, we should to create the road. To modify the surface of the road. Okay, the site creation is good, but we can find that the site creation is not clearly. So maybe we should modify the surface here. We need not to choose the display surface element in the pane view. Okay. The site creation is clearly. Now there will be 5 minutes for you to practice. Okay, the time is over. After completing the drawing, the picture is as follows, for example. Of course, you can draw what you want. Finally, the course of requirement. 1. Prepare the output model, make 21 as the main drawing file, and the rest of the drawing files as auxiliary drawing files, except 25, and adjust the view to the animated 3D mode. 2. Export the final model as Module 2 building model zip and the Module 2 building model in files, and place the two files in the Module 2 folder and the shared folder. The architectural modeling 2 course is over now. Today's study, please complete the practice by yourself after class. Today's study contents need to be submitted as the second assignment of building module 2, which refers to the class administering now. At the same time, you can send your questions to the designated email address, and I will answer them before class the next Monday. Thank you for your listening. Okay, the learning of this course is over. Do you have any questions? You can post them on the chatting platform or open your microphone to express.
Thank you, Professor Deng. Okay, we've accomplished the 5th day's lecture. We are almost there. 2 more sessions left. Congratulations to everyone again for your wonderful work over the past 5 sessions. Well, today's session, Professor Deng talked about architecture modeling. We've watched a lot of fancy things about wall creation, adding floor slabs, and creation of the terrace, roofs, staircases, and outdoor areas. It's really amazing. So again, if you have any questions, you can always unmute your microphone. We are having another 15 to 20 minutes for the Q&A. And you can also post your question on the chatting platform in Zoom. So as you can see, there is a PDF document on the chatting area. So that is the assignment for today's session. Let me see whether I can share my screen. Sure, I can do that. I'll share the screen and go through the assignment with you. So the format, I think you can see my screen, right? So the format is same as yesterday's assignment. The first 2 pages are the floor plans about floor 1 and floor 2, respectively. So the assignment requirement is on page 3. It's entitled Architectural Modeling Assignment number 2. And this one is due next Monday. Well, you can have a wonderful weekend or have a little break or practice on what we've learned in the previous sessions. And this assignment will be due the same time as other assignments. So it will be before the end of Monday session. So number 1 requirements, keep practicing what you've learned from yesterday's and today's lectures. So basically about architectural modeling, how to create windows and doors, columns, and also walls, floor slabs, etc. The second requirement is to draw the roof, terrace, handrail, staircase, ceiling, site, and surroundings for the building based on the above floor plans. So you can always download the assignments from the Zoom chatting platform. Do you have any questions? So as always, if you have any question regarding the lecture or something related with the assignments during our practice or during the camp, you can always ask us. You can either post it to the chatting platform or you can unmute your microphone. So yesterday we had a question from Telegram group chat about the drawing file document from October 18th. That's this Tuesday or Monday session, Tuesday sessions practice. So I've already asked the lecturer, and the lecturer provided the drawing file, and I've already uploaded it to Telegram group chat. If you have any questions, you can also post it to the Zoom chat or a Telegram chat. Well, yesterday's assignments will be due before the end of today's session, before 10 p.m. Beijing time today. So if you are done with that, you can always submit to Miss Li Na, the class teacher. You can find Miss Li Na from the attendance list on Zoom. So she's labeled as Li Na China class teacher. You can send to her via Zoom private chat. Well, it looks like we're doing pretty good. I do not see any questions from Zoom. No problem. If you do not have a question, you can do some hands-on practice or start doing the assignments from today's session or finishing up your assignments from yesterday. Whenever you have a question during the Q&A session, you can always unmute and ask, or you can post your question on the chatting platform. So if you have already submitted your assignments and if you have no questions, you're good to go. So that would be the end of our session. If you do have some question and you want to wait and do some hands-on practice or submit your assignment, you can hold on and submit it. So we'll wait roughly about 10 minutes and then we'll wrap up about tonight's lesson.
Excuse me, please.
Oh, sure, Ricardo.
our competitors, they have a doubt about how to set up the menu as you are using in your software. Can you please explain them how where they can set up the menu, please?
Set up the menu. So, are you, Ricardo? Are you talking about so the session with how we set up today, or during the first session, how to set up the menu from the software during the first session?
Yeah, no, at all.
Okay, sure. I'll direct your question to Professor Deng, and if she can show you now, she can share her screen. If not, probably you need to hold on for like 1 minute, then she can do some preparation. Okay, is that okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, no problem. 邓老师，
哎，
老师您
白老师，你说。
哎，刚才那个我们是巴西的一位专家，他提问了一个问题，说他们的这个选手不太明白怎么设置里面的这个菜单，您能给他们展示一下吗？就软件里面应该是 Plan Bar 里面的
哪个
菜单，
设置？
就是一开始里面的菜单，您可以给他们展示一下吗？就这些菜单的功能，我想他可能他说的这些是 menu
就是它的作用嘛，是吧？
啊，对，您可以给他们简单的说一下吗？您那个是英文的吗？哦。
对，
您可以给他们共享一下屏幕说一下吗？或者您
你说
现在方便
你
吗？
OK，你等
OK
我一下嘛。
好，可以。Okay, Ricardo, please hold on. Professor Dunn is getting prepared, and she will share her screen and navigate from the menu in Plan Bar and show the competitor how to set up the menu. Okay?
Okay, thank you. Okay.
Oh, no problem.
只要讲那个主菜单是吗？
对，您先跟他讲一下，如果他再有问题的话，我们可以 follow up，可以继续讲。您先讲一下主菜单。
Okay. Can you look at the screen of my computer?
Yes.
Okay. There are some menus you can see. The first is the file. You can save, copy, and send and lay out some editor. The second is edit. You can do something
邓老
like
师，您先等一下，我跟他确认一下是不是这个菜单，好吗？您先鼠标先停在
OK
刚才的，好吗？Okay, Ricardo. Ricardo, so I just want to double check with you. So Professor Dunn just showed us some basic functions of the menu from Plan Bar. So is that the question the competitor raised?
No, sorry. I'll try to explain again, please. We just want to know how to set up the windows to be the way they are using to show us the functions, not
okay.
the
Now I see. Okay.
that's it.
Okay, thank you. 邓老
Thank
师
you.
他要的不是no problem. 邓老师他要的不是刚才这个，那个他想展示的是您刚才做的这个窗户，这个窗户怎么设置？您能给他再展示一遍吗？
就是怎么做窗户，是不是吗？
哎，对，应该是这个。您先给他展示
OK
一点点，然后我再给他确认一下。
OK。我用中文讲，你用英文给他讲，可以吗？
可以，或者是昨天这个窗户是不是有一段这个没关系，您先直接说。
那我讲中文，讲英文哈。
您可以稍等一下，我接个电源，好吧 ？Hold on a second, my computer needs to get the charger.
OK。
Okay, I'm back. 邓老师，您可以开始了。
你问一下他是不是就是创建那个 Windows，
Okay,
然后我们现
Ricardo.
在切换一下视图。
好，等一下我给他说。Ricardo, so Professor Deng will show us how to create a window and how to set up the window. Is that the question you raised?
我的电脑有点
Sorry,
卡。
again, I think I made misunderstood. We just want to know how to set up the left window is to show with the comments, this architecture window and the other that are in the left side of the canvas. We just want to know how to open and close the command windows at the software. That's it. Did you understand it?
I sort of understood. So you mentioned how to open the window on the left canvas.
Yeah. When we are trying to use the windows with the many commands that have we don't we need to we try to make our windows like the canvas of your software, but we cannot do. We just want to know if is there a button that can open or close the windows properly with the commands of the software, not modeling, just to open and close the windows of the bars.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Did you understand me? Do I make myself clear, please?
Kind of. So probably, so may I ask you, so could you please take us, probably I'm thinking about a screenshot. If you post a screenshot on the chatting area.
Okay.
Yes, that could be easier. Or
just a
probably
second.
share your screen. Yeah.
They are going to make this. Just a second, please.
Okay.
但是
哦，
你稍微等一下，我的电脑有点卡。
好的，我请他分享一下他的这个他的页面，因为他说可能对，就是打开的方式，就是他说开窗的方式跟我们是就是不能跟你的一样。哦，刚才老师说是要设置我们的软件界面，默认打开是不一样的。
难道他有自己修改过吗？我们都是直接。哎呀，我这个软件又卡了。哦吼。
哦，我再问一下，设置成您说那个邓老师，您说您那边展示的这个窗户，它是默认的设置，对吗？
没有啊，那个设置是我自己可以设计的。
哦，自己设计的是吧？哦，他就是想看一下您怎么设置的这个窗户，他是说软件的界面。
门窗的窗户吗？
对。
哎呦，可是我的电脑有点卡，有点恼火。
邓长烈，他可能是想问那个窗户的属性设置。
哦，关键是我现在电脑有点卡，要不然
他那个属性那个位置，他估计是想问属性的那个位置的设置。
那个地方，那个位置应该是怎么设置？是要设置成跟邓老师的一样的吗？
没有，
这个应该是属性设置是要根据图纸要求这些来设置的。
对。
就是因为设置，所以它打开不一样，对吗？
开窗方式、尺寸，还有它的那个高度，都会有影响。 所以他我
他就是
我觉得他可
想看怎
能是
么设置
想问的是这个。
好像是我还没有听特别明白，我说让他共享一下屏幕，他可能说要稍等一下，
行。
那也就是说，即使他
终于打开
跟我们的不一样也是可以的，对吧？
界面吗？
这个是自己设置的不一样是吗？李娜老师，您刚才说的是这个吗？
我知道了，他有可能说我们这个为什么显示不一样，是它的那个托盘设置，有那个托盘设置，它没有点开。这个view 那个下面有一个这个显示，就是在这个最后一个 default configurations， 就是这个地方，它要点中这个那个 plate 这个 plate 这个就是托盘，它才能显示成我左边的这个情况。
您可以把那个屏幕打开，给它共享一下吗？
他如果说是问软件的设置这个窗口的话，这就是这个地方。然后如果说是李娜讲的那个问题，就只是针对某个
邓老
窗户的话，
师，你没有共享屏幕，所以什么也看不见。
好吧，等一下。
您可以展示一下屏幕，然后我再跟他确认一下是不是这个问题。对，
好，现在可以看到吗？
可以看到。
然后你问一下他，到底是问这个软件的这个界面窗口呢，还是问我们这个 building 里面的这个窗户？就是 the window of the software or the window of the building。
So Ricardo, so I would like to double check with you. So were you asking about how the window opens of the building or the left canvas? I think you were talking about the left canvas, left area, right?
Okay. They sent an image in okay. They sent the image at the Telegram group.
Telegram. Okay.
And they are asking the question is both competitors has differences at the bars, the common bars in their software. They just want to know where can do set up this to rearrange the buttons and the bars as they want to do, or as you are using your bars, because sometimes they want to repeat a command that you are doing at the software and they can't find where the button or the command is and then just don't care. They can't
understand. I just saw the image.
complete the command.
Okay, thank you. 邓老师，他问的是软件的属性。我们的属性打开之后，现在的左边的界面是有创建，比如说你这里有屋顶啊什么的，他们这个打开，它下面没有
没有显示
是吧？
的原因就是你要在这个 view 这个里面找到最后一个，一直把这个
你能不能稍
小三角。
微慢一点？你能不能慢一点 ？So Ricardo, you see on the top left, the third button said view. So you need to set up here. On the bottom part, there is a button called default configurations. For the default configurations, you need to click palette configuration.
Okay, that's it.
That's it. Okay, thank you very much. So if you choose this one, it will be shown exactly as it shows here on the left canvas.
Okay, thank you. That's it. Thank you so much.
Okay, no problem. Sorry for the confusion. Okay.
That's okay.
对，他刚刚说的就是这个问题。Okay, no problem.
这个是因为那个软件安装自动的时候，它默认的是这个第一个 default 的这个默认设置。但是如果说我们想把做方便一点的话，我们一般用的是第二个托盘的设置。
Okay, so the reason why your screen or the view looks different is because the default setting of the software is the number one, the first one, which is the default configuration. Dash classic. Under this view mode, it does not show the captions, so you do not know which one it is. So for the convenience of practice, we usually set it up to palette configuration. Okay. Thank you, Ricardo, for your question. Thank you.
Excuse me. They say it's okay. They did that, and that's what they need. Thank you so much.
Okay, you are very welcome. You are very welcome. Okay.
可以了吗？他这个问题解决了哈。
可以了，可以了，谢谢您，邓老师。Thank you。
不客气。那看一下其他人还有问题吗？
OK。哦，刚刚一个这个，巴西的选手问了什么时候这个比赛，什么时候是比赛日或者比赛时间？
裴老师，
这个
大
刘
约
老师
是大约是11月的1号到4号之间。
10月的1号到4号之间。OK。OK。So Luma Santos from Brazil, a competitor, asked about the competition time. Professor Liu responded that approximately during the 1st of November to the 4th of November. So it's about like 10 days from now, roughly. So we do not have the exact date at this moment, but we will let you know when we have the setting up for the competition time. Okay, looks like we are all good. Thank you all for a wonderful session. If you have any question, you can always post it to Telegram chat if it's not the class session. Well, we do not have any classes tomorrow and Sunday. I wish all of you a wonderful weekend. Should you have any questions, no problem. You can always post it to Telegram chat. Okay, no problem. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. We had a wonderful first week for our training. And next week, we'll be wrapping up our training. And I will be here with you next Monday. And next Monday's session will be presented by Professor Wu. And Professor Wu will be talking about model collision checking and integrated mapping. And I'm sure that everyone will be expecting about a really wonderful week. Okay, thank you all. That's the end of our session. Okay, looking forward to see you all on Monday. Thank you. 顾老师，我们今天的课就到现在结束。
顾老师可以结束课程了，辛苦啊，谢谢 ，Thank you。